have a bit of a deep, dark secret to share with you today. First of all, welcome to my bathroom. I have you here because this video is going to be me organizing all of my hair care, body care, and skin care. And if you watch any of my content, you'll know that a lot of the types of videos I put out are dedicated to makeup and making sure that I'm finding a balance between trying new things and getting excited about makeup and trying new techniques and formulas while still making sure that the stuff I already own doesn't expire and still gets used just as much as the new stuff, and using things like project panning, inventory videos, cost per use videos to just give myself a better idea of how long it takes to finish makeup so that I'm really smart about what I bring in. I've been doing it for years. I feel really good about where I am when it comes to makeup, but with other things in my life like hair care, body care, and skin care, I don't have any form of organization. I have things just stuffed in boxes in different parts of my house, and moving just made that even worse. Whenever I brought it all together to physically move it to my house, I realized that I had a ton of products I didn't even know I had anymore. And so now we've moved into our house and we do have a little bit more space than we did in our apartment. I was able to get a set of drawers that's in our bathroom now. Half of it is just for towels and like washcloths and stuff, but the other half is empty and has shelves. And so we are going to go through everything together and organize it. And this is going to be kind of a discovery for both of us because I can guarantee you there's a large chunk of products I own that I don't remember ever getting. Maybe they were gifts with purchase or things that other people gave me because it didn't work for them. Some of them were gifts. Some of them were even things that I asked for like Christmas and stuff. What we're gonna do is we're gonna move over to my bedroom. I have some towels laid out. I have all the products that I want to eventually sort into this drawer, and we're gonna go through it together, put it into different categories, figure out if there's anything I wanna get rid of. Let me give you a quick rundown of everything we have here. This is just an empty box that I think I might use for some storage or some organization later. And then I have these two miscellaneous boxes full of mostly hair care. And then I have this, which is like my everyday hair stuff. So my hair dryer, some hair mousse, a curling iron, hairspray, a brush, just stuff that I reach for whenever I do style my hair. And I have some towels out so that I can lay everything out without worrying about it leaking onto my bed. And then I have this additional tote full of other stuff too. I don't even know what is in here. I'm sure it's a mix of skincare, body care, and hair care. So that is what we're going to be organizing today. I have like hair accessories over here, and then hair tools like brushes and hair dryers and stuff like that here. And then I have like hair care, either products or shampoos and conditioners all here. And then I have like my color conditioners, like my depositing conditioners and everything over in this corner. These products here are all tanning products, some random skincare, and then like cleaning products. So a lot of Castile soaps and then brush cleaners and stuff like that. And then I have eye contact solution stuff in the center here. And then all that is like body care. Seeing it all out in the open like this is very eye-opening. A lot of these products I didn't even remember I had, especially a lot of these hair care products. Like I have no business owning this much. I just checked, and this container that was originally holding all of my hair tools and everything does fit in the drawers, and so I am going to put it all in there at once. But I do want to organize it somewhat so that I know exactly what's in there. Definitely my brushes. I have two brushes. I'm going to keep both of them. Actually, I have 3 brushes. Whoa. Okay, keeping those. And then I have these clips here. These I'm just gonna put on the side. Same with this one here. And then I have a few hair ties, so I can put those all on this hair tie thing. I have some random bobby pins. I also have some Q-tips, which don't need to be in there. But you can keep all those in that little container too. And that way all my bobby pins, hair clips, and stuff like that are in this little container. And then I also have some of these clear elastics as well that I'll keep in there. Then I have a hair dryer, and I have, this is like a really old hair wand set that I use to curl my hair. That will also go in there. I have one of these Revlon blow dryer brush things, and then I have this hair straightener, which admittedly I don't use a ton. Just gonna put that in the bottom there. That's mostly everything. I do have a couple products in here that I'm finishing up. I have a styling mousse here from Numa, and I got this for Virgo as a Christmas gift, and I only have a teeny little bit left, probably only a couple more uses, so I'm going to put that in there, because I typically use that whenever I am like styling my hair. I'm going to put some of my smaller hair products in this travel thing, because I have like a mini hairspray. This is almost empty too. This I think came with this Nume wand curler kit, and it's like a white truffle heat protectant serum. I think I only have one use left in here, so I'm also going to put that in there. I have a mini blow dry primer spray that I'll put in this smaller container. I have a cake hair mask, a L'Oreal hair gloss, a scalp serum from Unwash, and a little blow dry powder from Big Sexy Hair. Is this empty? No, there's a little left in there. This is like a texturizing powder, so I'm actually going to keep this out, so I'll use that too. This is a dry shampoo powder from Kristen S. That one's pretty small, so I'll also put that in there. And yeah, that will be a container of like mostly travel size products. Some other products I reach for fairly often are this Cake dry powder shampoo. This one is probably like halfway full. This is one of my favorite dry shampoo powders, by the way. I also reach for this hairspray pretty often, and this blow dry spray. This is from Kenra. Use that one pretty often, so I can keep all those there. As for these other products, a lot of them are like dry shampoo sprays or leave-in conditioners. I think what I want to do is put them in this crate here, and I'll put this packet of mini products in this bucket as well. This is a shampoo. The shampoos and conditioners I'll leave out and I'll put somewhere because like I will go through those more regularly. I'll put all of my dry shampoos together. I have one texturizing spray. Put that in that back corner, and then 2 extra hairsprays, so I'll put those there. These are like leave-in conditioners or oil sprays or moisture mist or something that's going to bring moisture back into your hair. And I'm going to put these right here in the middle. I'm going to actually put this little travel size container, and I'm going to put that in the middle to sort of like section it off. And then I'll put all of these conditioning products here. And then I have a shampoo, a conditioner, and then this Briogeo Duo also shampoo and conditioner. I'll put those right there. And that way I have them like sort of sectioned off. I know where they are. And those are like the majority of all of my hair stuff. I'm going to keep the color conditioning stuff separate, and I'll go through that next. Let me show you how I have that set up currently. So down here I have all of my Dr. Bronner soaps on the side there, and then I have that basket of all the hair products here. I can easily pull it out and grab anything I want, and it's not so tightly packed in there that I can't see what's in there, and it's relatively organized by category, so I know what I'm working with. a big improvement, a lot better than it was before. And then right above it, I have my basket with all of my sort of everyday hair stuff, so that whenever I am styling my hair, I can easily pull that out and have all the tools and products that I would need to do my hair. And then I have this drawer left, and then I have this little one up here too. I got this divider thing from Costco. I don't know if I'll actually use it. We'll see how I'm able to organize everything else and go from there. I think what I want to do is put all of my tanning products in this see-through container. I like that it's see-through so I can see exactly what's in there, but because it is tanning product, I'm glad that it's kind of sealed away and separate so that it doesn't potentially stain anything else. I have this clear container here. This was like a collab that I bought forever ago. I use the same one to organize all of my makeup brushes, and I think I have another one in my foundation drawer to organize my primers and stuff. I think I want to use this somehow to keep track of the smaller products. This product here is also a tanning product. It's from Ulta. It's the Bronze Go Self Tanning Glow by Morning Gradual Tan Drops. You're supposed to put this in like a face cream and it'll tan your face and neck. So I'm going to put that in here. And then I have the container holding these smaller products. So I have like these pumice stones. I have some travel size contact solutions, little mini samples, just like, you know, things that maybe I don't want to be standing on their side. This is almond oil. It has the potential to leak. And just have them visible so I can think to use them up slowly, especially some of these smaller samples. So that is, I mean, as organized as it's going to get. It's a bunch of like weird odds and ends. This baby powder here, I can put that in like we have a drawer for like medicine and sunscreen and aloe and stuff. I can put the baby powder in there. But I don't know if I want to put all the conditioners in this box or if I want to put them in this box. I'm just not sure like what's going to fit best. So I'm going to try out some different options. Okay, I mean that's a really snug fit, but it does seem to hold like all of my Overtone color depositing conditioner stuff into one box. So I'm going to keep it like that. And then I have these three. These are really old. I bought them at the very beginning of my channel, and I don't really know if I would feel comfortable putting these back in my hair or giving them away to anybody. So I am just going to pitch these, unfortunately. Some things I'm going to put in other spots. I have these two Clear Care Hydro Glide. They have hydrogen peroxide in them, but they're meant to clean your contact lenses. I'm going to put these again over in that like medicine cabinet. And then I have this face cleanser. I'm just going to put this in my shower. I'm almost finished with the one that's already in there, so I can put that away. And then this is a lemongrass hand soap from Dr. Bronner's. I love the lemongrass scent. I love this hand soap. And there isn't a lot of this left. I think I put it away to put like a newer one. Like my parents were staying with us and they were using this bathroom, so I put out like a newer hand soap for them to use. But this one's almost empty. I'm gonna put it back in our bathroom to finish. And then I have a couple things that unfortunately like have expired and I need to move on. This glycolic mask from Andalou Naturals. I've had this for several years. I prefer the BHA salicylic acid from Paula's Choice, and this one, there's probably like half of it left, but it's definitely expired at this point, so I'm going to throw it away. And then this is an SPF product from Pacifica. It's the Mineral SPF Bronzing Body Butter. It's SPF 50, and it is kind of cool because it's got like a bronzing aspect to it, so it's good if you want to make your hands look or your body look a little bit tanner. Like it's not so dark that it would look weird or gross, at least not on my skin tone, but it kind of just adds a little bit of color. Probably would be good for like your legs or something. I'm going to pitch this. It's unfortunate. I purchased it and I barely used it, and then I forgot about it and it expired. This I already used up the product that was in here, and then I think I put another product in it. Like I think I just put water in here. Yeah, it's just water in here. So I am going to get rid of that too. I don't need to have like a backup spray. I have lots of sprays already in my life. So these ones are gonna go. I have these 2 body creams. Both of these were gifts. And so I am eventually going to use them. I just need to remember to use them. So I'm going to put one of them by my bed and put the other one away for now. I'll start with this Burt's Bees one. This was a part of a housewarming gift from my cousin. Thank you. So I'm going to put this by my bed. I have a body scrub here that I use as a hand scrub. So I'm going to put this by my sink as well to finish. And then I have a backup body wash here. This one I'm gonna go put next to the other backup body wash that I have just in my bathroom. So really all I have that's like body care that's gonna be separate is this second body cream and then this like more tanning body cream that I'll use for like special occasions. I have this healing clay. This is like a powder that you mix with water or with other mediums to create a face mask. I'll hold on to that. And then I have 2 Cinema Secrets. I use these to wash my brushes and to sanitize my sponges sometimes. So I'll put those 2 in there. And then this is the like cleansing pad that I use to wash my brushes. I'll put that there. Tanning stuff can fit in the middle there. These other things are going to other places. Actually, I will put this backup body wash and this face cleanser. I'll put those in there. All right, I'm gonna go put this stuff away and then show you what it looks like in my new organization in my bathroom. Okay, I switched a few things around. I moved what was originally the crate and the Dr. Bronner soaps from the bottom shelf. I moved them up here because those look a little bit neater and they are products that I want to be able to see a little bit more easily. So I put them on the second shelf. I have all of my Overtone color conditioning products up in that top corner. So they're kind of out of the way, but they're like very easily accessible. And then I still have all of my hair products in that bucket there. And then in the bottom, I have all of those body products and like miscellaneous things still within reach, but just kind of out of the way, and it helps it look a little bit less cluttered being at the bottom there. Yeah, this seems like a lot less scary to me. It looks organized, I know where everything is, and maybe it'll just help me go through these a little bit more quickly or just remember to reach for them a little bit more. I hope you enjoyed watching that. I hope that was fun. Just getting a little sneak peek into still part of my beauty routine, but not as heavily focused on as my makeup. Just getting a peek into what I have. The next category I absolutely need to do this with is clothing. I don't even know if like compared to other people if I have a ton of clothing, but I am a creature of habit. If you watched my videos regularly, you'll know I pretty much wear like the same tops, but I have way more than that, and it's like, why? Why do I even own them? So if you'd like to see a video where I go through and I declutter a bunch of my clothes, and I organize them and I sort them out and figure out if they're realistically what I would want, what's worth keeping, and maybe help spark some creativity and like put together some fun outfits. I love dressing for the fall and winter, and I would like to utilize a lot of products, a lot of clothing items that I just don't reach for because I don't know where they are. Let me know if you'd be interested in watching something like that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do you have something like this? Like, how do you keep track of all of your hair care and body care items? Maybe there's a better way that I'm just not seeing. Please let me know how you keep track of everything. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.